Oh man, I'm so wet. Dude. It is really freaking wet out here.
Hello, this is Hans the Ramen Narrator coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, as you can see, I'm wearing my challenge attire. Yes, this is the Olympics of noodle eating in the spicy realm. Yes. Today, I'm taking the challenge. Yesterday's episode was me cooking up the 3x spicy. I did that. But this one is known as the challenge noodle. Now, what's the challenge? Well, it's 12,000 Scoville unit. That's spicy. I think the one yesterday was hotter. And this one is cold. So you cook it for 5 minutes? 5 minutes? 4 minutes? I'm looking for a number. Come on, where's the little bitty clock that says how long? Like all this tangle, and then there's no number. There should just be a number. I think it's 5. Anyways, water's boiling. We are going to work it. I'd like to do a couple shout outs today. I know, departure from my usual self-absorption. I'm going to say hello to the fat hipster. A king of the taste testing world, fat hipster. I don't want to make a mess. I'm really good at making messes, though. Okay, and then we got a fork. Forks are important. Fork is out. Timer is counting. 5 minutes on the clock, ladies and gentlemen. It is going down right now. And I want to give a shout out to Jamie from the Instant Noodles, the Ramen Raider group on Facebook. Hey, if you go to Facebook and look up the Instant Noodles, the Ramen Raider group, you will be glad you did, because you will find all sorts of neat people and neat pictures of noodles and ideas and fun for you. And it's free. It's good, clean fun. No, it's really dirty. You can't wash yourself with noodles and sauce and junk, so it's kind of dirty. And then I finally want to say hello to the nice folks over at the Ramen Noodle Review. What's happening? They're actually, I was watching their episode where they eat the, I haven't finished it yet, but episode where they do the Paldo Buldak noodle. And I think they're married, I'm pretty sure. But she was wearing an Adidas starter jacket. And it's like, dude, of course, if you're going to have something spicy, you gotta wear the right attire, and I haven't worn this in a while. The main reason I haven't worn this so much is like I've got matching sweatpants to go with this and a red hat. Well, this hat's not all red, but it's gonna be red today. But I go out walking at the butt crack of dawn every day, and I thought, hey, I'll wear my red track pants, a red shirt, my red track jacket, and my red hat. I'll be all red. Well, apparently there's a guy who found that to be just a little too much to handle. And to this day, if I go out walking, the guy like yells at me. Like, what up, blood? What's going on? Blah, 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 blah. No, gang colors, blah, blah, blah. It's like, dude, I'm a white guy, and I review instant noodles. Maybe his eyesight is worse, or it was worse than mine. I don't know. Maybe he just saw red. But yeah, this morning I was out there walking around, and all of a sudden I just hear this like. At first it was like that. It was like, "What's happening, man?" Blah 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 blah. And this guy's got he's got some kind of weird, maybe like Texas. I don't know, some kind of accent. But he definitely like, what the heck? And he now it's more like I just heard him go. It's like, I mean, cool. I like yelling at people just as much as the next guy, but I mean, come on. Come on. I'm a spicy Korean noodle athlete. Have some respect, for God's sake. It's a track jacket. I'm not in a gang. Well, I'm not in a gang. And, yeah. So, yeah. Oh, and a big thank you to the CEO of Miojo. Thank you very much. I appreciate what you have done. He's got me this book. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been trying to get this book for 10 years now. And I was like, hey man, is there any way that you could find one of these for me? So what does he do? He gets Miojo's a part of Nissan. And he gets a hold of Nissan in Japan, calls up the mothership. They're like, yeah, you'll have it by the end of the month. And he said, oh, just received it, gonna send it out to you tomorrow. I'm like, the book's called Momofuku Ando Speaks. And it's like a book, I believe that if you are a new hire at Nissan Foods Holdings, you get a copy of it. And it's all quotes from it. And it has that, and underneath it in gold, it says, human beings are noodle beings. And it's made in this, like, the cover looks like, remember the guys that would hang out outside the school after school and you'd be walking home and they'd like hand you these little tiny funky Bibles? It's like one of those, but it's for noodles. I think it's like a noodle Bible. At least it would be for me. Well, let's take these noodles, ladies and gentlemen, drain them, and sauce them up. But remember, we're not just draining them, we're going to rinse them with cold water. That's the challenge way. Oh yeah! I'll tell you in a minute after I'm done rinsing these noodles. Got the noodle sway going on. This is a stretching exercise prior to the cooking of the noodle, or the eating the noodle. Hot, gotta warm them back up. Alrighty. Now I know it's late, but I also want to give a shout out and a big Instant Noodle Recipe Time rest in peace to Fred Willard, American comedian. He did a HBO special way back. He probably doesn't even remember. Well, he doesn't remember it currently, but he did a thing called. Well, it was on HBO, and it was called The History of White People in America, and it was hosted by Martin Mull. If you haven't seen this, you need to see it. It is probably the funniest thing I've ever seen in my life. And Fred Willard plays he's like a dad in this little family. It's like, there's one part where they're like, hey, where's the mayonnaise? And like they all keep coming out, like, where'd the mayonnaise go? Well, I took my my mayonnaise and I left it over at blah blah blah's house during the slumber party. Well, I ate all my mayonnaise the other night. And it's like, and he's like, where's all the mayonnaise in this house? It's like a big freaking 2-gallon jug of mayo. It's like, yes, yes. Look it up on YouTube. The History of White People in America. Really, really, really funny. By the same guys who did like Best in Show and was it Spinal Tap? Was it the same guys who did that? The Mighty Wind. Same crew. Super funny stuff. So here's the first of 2 sachets. Down here, I don't want this stuff to squirt up and out and into my eye. During the mukbang of the 3X Spicy, I did have a very near mishap. I had a little splash of the sauce, a little splash, hop up, and it ended up on my glasses. But if it got in my eye, boy, that would have been a way more eventful spicy noodle mukbang episode. I can attest to that for sure. I've gotten spicy noodle junk in my eye before, and I'll tell you, it's not at all enjoyable. It might be for you. I mean, it could be a really neat episode. Okay, there's that. But yeah, go also on YouTube and go check out Instant. Is it Ramen Noodle Reviewal or is it Instant Noodle Reviewal? Oh crap. They're nice. I'm gonna be on their show. Woohoo! I'm gonna do an interview. So I'll let you know when that's on and I'll share it and all that good stuff. I enjoy doing interviews. It's funny though, it's like all these people have heard of me, but you know, most of them they're like, dude, we started this partially because of you or something like that. And I'm like, well, say hi, I'm not a weirdo, I'm not an alien. I'm not a space alien. I have people every once in a while that say, dude, you're a legend. It's like, no, I'm still alive. I'm I'm healthier than I've ever been. Now I'm gonna stir it. Oh man. Oh yeah, this won't be too hard. I was looking for the instructions. I looked at on eBay, because some people are selling it on eBay. And the guy's like, this gave me gut cramps. It's really hot, trust me. And I'm Korean. It's like, gives you something to look forward to. But the dining won't happen on this program. The dining will happen on the Spicy Noodle Mukbang program, which either is already aired or is soon to air. Check your local listings. Actually, just look on my YouTube channel. Beneath this video, there'll be a thing that says the Ramen Raider, like a little logo. If you're on a desktop, click on that. If you're not, either way, just click the subscribe button, for God's sake. Tell everybody you know. Just subscribe. Do it. Do it. Just nitpick them. Nag them. Like, dude, just dude, just hit the, no. Here, give me it. No, hand over the phone, come on. Just click subscribe. Just, oh. God, I'm glad my new tripod-y thing is coming tomorrow. Or today. Saucy. Make sure we get all that. So, have you guys had bibimbap? I'm hoping you have, because that's something you haven't lived until you've had bibimbap. So there's no what do you call it with this one? There's no sesame seeds, there's no seaweed. They mention on the package to throw in some cucumber and an egg, but the way I see it, that's just gonna cool it down. That's gonna tame it, and I'm not about taming this stuff. I take these challenges very seriously. At least for these upper echelon heat ones. If like, I'll be doing the next 2 reviews are gonna be either the kimchi or the tomato paste. They will be those, but I don't know which one will be first. But check your local listings. But there we go. Oh man. Oh, come on. I'm trying to make it look all nice, and it's not working out so well. Sandwich, spicy noodle meatball. Alright. Oh, crud. Oh, no. No, no. Hop in, sucker. Yeah, I'm really happy that Amazon is nice and quick on this kind of stuff, because this is like horrible. Okay. Are you gonna stay or are you gonna fall in? We don't want you falling in. The other one won't go left and right. It's just going to go up and down. So I think it's going to be pretty good. But anyways. Alright. Rotato. 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 Take it away. Alright, new song. Hey! What's your plan? Is it noodles? Use the noodle maker? Wow, you're studying up. Say hi, Mimi. Alright, time to go scarf this stuff back. Wish me luck.
I'll see you on the other side. Yeah!
Bye-bye.